Good evening, this is Eric Kolodny with the Epiphany Trading Markets Wrap-Up for Monday, August 9th. Dow today was ahead 45 points, closing at 10,699. Nasdaq was at 2305, was up 17. Volume was extremely light. We traded for the QQQs about 25% or so of the volume that was traded on the day after Thanksgiving. That gives you an idea. Very, very slow, very paltry activity. I basically did ostensibly nothing after about 1 o'clock. It's a very, very busy afternoon on Friday with the Hewlett-Packard thing. There was some activity this morning as well, but it just really, really slowed down this afternoon. The levitation of the market's still pretty good, though. Market keeps upticking. It'll be another very quiet day for the bulk of the session tomorrow. There's a Fed meeting out, so probably look for some slight gains, slight losses, nothing dramatic at all. Until 2:15, then we have to go by the language of the Fed. Likelihood there'll be no surprise, and there'll be a little bit of volatility, but again, no major reaction, pending something just out of the ordinary from the Federal Reserve. A few things to look at on the positive side: MBI, IT, PRXL, GNK, MDR, CLNE, and CMFO are all trading slightly higher after hours today, after they reported their earnings. V and MasterCard, MA closed on its high, or closed near their highs rather. And lastly, WYN, WYNN closed near a high. On the negative side, NUAN, QGEN, SLXP, THQI, VSAT, ASEI, and MR, all trading lower in earnings. AMED had an item reversal and closing near a low after posting earnings. DISH and MDCI closed near a low after posting earnings. OCR closed near a low after Moody's downgraded its ratings outlook for the company. APEI and PMC closed near lows. And finally, SKX closed near low amid advertising lawsuits filed against the company. Earnings calendar as we enter the final stages of this quarter's earnings season. AIT, CVG, and JASO in the morning. After hours tomorrow, definitely some third-tier companies, well, except for one, but trading vehicles potentially, certainly for Wednesday morning. A1, CREE, DIS, JAZZ, LDK, and MYGN. With that, I wish all of you a good night, and go trading tomorrow.